Then you have to open mail ID by using Google Chrome. Once you open mail ID, then you will find GI download link. Click on download link. It will open new screen. Click on download on new screen. Now click on download on anyway. Download anyway. Once you click on download anyway, you can find the file is downloading. The software is downloading. It will take few minutes. It will take few minutes. Okay. Actually, SAP software which is installing is in zip file, is in the form of zip file. Observe here, this is the zip file. Okay, you have to unlock the zip. That means for this, you have to extract this file after downloading. Now the file is downloaded. Now select the file, right click, press GUI, Windows 32. Now you can click on setup .exe. Now it will take few minutes. Okay. Now this software, GUI software, it will be saved in another file. Okay. Here in your mail ID, you can find server details. These are the server details. A description, application server, instance number, system ID. These two are credentials for login to the SAP. Username and password. These are your credentials. User credentials. These 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are server details. These 2 are user credentials. Okay. Click on next. Select all. Click on next. Now it is installing. It will take few minutes. Click on close. Now you can see logon pad icon. Select logon, SAP logon. Right click open. Click on this icon to expand. Click on new type. Click on next. Now open mail ID. Provide the server details. These are the server details. Copy and paste. You can copy and paste it. Application server. This is application server. description, text, okay. Instance number 49, instance number 49. Now system ID EH7, EH7. Now click on, no need to give SAP router string, it is blank, finish, click on. Now test, select the test, log on, click on log on, you observe here this is log on. Now provide the credential, demo4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now click on enter, click on enter. Once you click on enter, okay, you log on to the, you open SAP IDES Access screen. SAP IDES Access screen. This is how we can install SAP GI software in our desktop.